talk to us what happened here, how did it start, at dumating tayo sa punto na you're now able to train developers from the LGU of Davao.
Kapatid ni Rod has been building on ICP, and they've seen the capability of the tech. It can scale, it's tamper-proof, it's permissionless, it's global, and more, actually. If we think about other blockchains, the other blockchains can only store a coin or maybe a JPEG at the back end. And every front end that you'll be using on the current popular blockchain right now, are all stored on the monopoly traditional Web 2 companies that we have, no? Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure. Right here for ICP, we can talk about, we call it 100% on-chain. Meaning to say, from transacting front-end and back-end, everything is living on the blockchain. So nakita nila, Rod, yun, nakakapag-usap kami, and they have this initiative. They've been working with the government, no, sa project nila na Ways to Earn, and nag-reach out sa kanila yung LGU wherein meron silang pain points. If you remember, it was announced na digital ID, I think, it was supposedly nationwide.
Correct.
But yeah, it didn't happen. Matagal na, ilang years ago. And right now, the best way to go right now is really step by step through cities. But basically, yeah, it started with our partner, started with evangelization, education, and right now, we're doing some use cases.